Hello world! We are back with Farewell Fridays as promised. So today's farewell is the two pots. Two pots, one made of clay, the other of brass, were swept down a river in a flood. The brass pot told the companion to stay by his side and he would protect him. "Thank you for your offer," said the clay pot. "But there's just what frightens me. If you will just keep your distance from me, I'll be able to float down the river in safety. But if we come in contact with one another, I'm bound to be the one who will suffer." So the moral of this fable is, avoid neighbors who are too powerful. If there is a collision, the weaker one will be destroyed. So what is the learning today? When we associate this with our workspace, who is most powerful? Your conviction or the complacency? When I am using my strategy, I feel so complacent, and what I do? I'll look out for some excuses not to do those 3 sketches per minute. That's our objective, isn't it? 3 sketches. 1, 2, 3 sketches per minute. And if we do it, we'll be able to reflect our soul properly, in our visual communication. But same thing here, like one metal pitcher, the other one is made of clay. But at the same time, clay is softer and it has a power, that soft power, that conviction is very soft power. And slowly and steadily it becomes very, very strong. It's not weak anymore. So, let us promise again, 3 sketches per minute. Yeah? And I'm sure you are doing it. You will be able to do that because you are genius of hard work. You're taking care of your food, sleep, and you are always wise. And 4 life dimensions. Yeah? Okay, so today's visual cue is identify this painting, the artist, and where this has been exhibited. Ta-da! Until next Friday, live life, love, and light.